Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Just wanted to share this opportunity I found with you. And the reason I want to share it, I'm going to jump into in just a second. But of course, before we do that, whatever we do discuss, whatever I do show you, just know that it's for information and educational purposes only. Now, this particular opportunity is really a day trading strategy, or at least an intraday type setup, and it could potentially move to swing. It's kind of in the middle. And by that I mean it's built on, a little higher than normal day trading time frame. So in this instance here, in this example, we're looking at this 15-minute chart and we're qualifying it on a 30 and a 60. Now, why are we doing that? Now, many of you that probably worked for corporate America or worked in a company that you went to work every day are now likely working from home due to the pandemic and due to things change. And this may be the new normal for quite a while. I mean, I've had friends tell me that they're not going back to work ever. Like they're going to retire working from home. And I've had other friends tell me that, at least a year or two are in the works for them to stay home. So if you're busy working, and most of us are, I totally get it. But the reason I like this particular setup, using a 15, qualifying it a little higher on a 30 and a 60, it doesn't require a lot of your attention. Like, you could put this on a second screen off to the side, while you're doing your work, because there's nothing to do until you take a peek at it every 15 minutes. And that's kind of the beauty of this setup. It's not like you got to watch it every 3 minutes or every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes or even a tick chart that's happening almost instantaneously. This is nice because as the opportunity presents itself, it's easy to identify. And the other part of it is the likeliness is going to give you plenty of wiggle room to get into the trade, at the entry point or even with price improvement. So I like this setup. And what I also love about Hawkeye is that, our tools can be integrated for you to use them really however you want. Now, most of you know, if you've had much exposure to me, then I'm a very passive trader. I prefer to take the least amount of trades and make the most amount of profit. Where some people really like to trade a lot. They like to be involved. They like to be in front of the computer. They enjoy it. I enjoy living my life. Trading is what enables me to live my life on the financial level I want to, but I don't want to be controlled by it. So I'm just telling you, if you're working from home, if you're corporate America, if your company sent you to work from home and you've been thinking of day trading, but you know that you don't have the time and focus for it, look to higher time frames on an intraday basis, and it could give you great opportunities just like this in the NASDAQ to jump into a move. And listen, this was held for about a day and a half. I mean, it's a little more than a day trade, but it produced through all the way through, and you just let your stop do its thing, and that what gives you the opportunity to continue to be productive, while this trade is transpiring and also making you money. Now, this is something that I've always had a very near and dear feeling towards. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you to everyone you meet for everything they do for you. What does that mean? Listen, this little tiny word called manners goes a really, really long way. The other day I'm at my office, my wife holds the door open for a gentleman. Well, normally it should be the other way around. The gentleman should be holding the door for my wife. But here nor there, and he didn't have the decency to say thank you. And it was just, I don't think he meant it insultingly. I just probably who he was and didn't think twice about it. But that little thank you, that just gesture of saying, "Hey, I appreciate that you opened the door for me," it goes a long way. I mean, people want to help you. People want to do for you. People want to please you when you show gratitude. And it's just a really, really special trait that I believe that everybody should have and embrace on a daily basis. Now, guys, if you'd like to learn more, I encourage you to click the link below. Check out the Project VSwarm webinar. In this webinar, you're going to see example after example of how we utilize our volume-based indicators to tackle the market on all time frames, whether it's a intraday, a swing trade, a position trade, whatever direction you're looking to go in as a trader. That's the customability of the product that we offer here at Hawkeye. Now, beyond just the product, of course, we offer coaching and mentoring in Inner Circle Skype room where you can get to interact with other like-minded traders. So it's really a full package here that you don't find anywhere else. Now, if you have questions or comments, you're always welcome to shoot us an email or give us a call at support, 888-233-8598. And with that, guys, I hope you have a beautiful day, a blessed day, and a profitable one, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.